Hello everyone. Today I'm reviewing my washing machines. All my washing machines and also some of my spares as well. Which some haven't been in a YouTube video yet, so I've got some in my bed. We'll work our way, I guess. So first I have the Martin washing machine, the Martin XT Pro washing machine. And next to it is the Titleist NXT. Titleist NXT is very good anyway. Got the Kirkland's Performance. I don't know, what even is this? Maybe it's I don't know, whatever this model is. Kirkland, what model of that is, I don't know. I've got Callaway, yep. Callaway washing machine. We got the Pro V1, the Titleist Pro V1 X in a yellow washing machine. And you got the wash machine, it's a Vice. We've got the Vice Pro Plus Black on top, and then on top we have a Titleist number 1 Callaway. Callaway. And we have the Vice Drive on top, Callaway, and we have the Max Fleet Nude, and we have the Max Fleet Noodle on top, kind of like which I've managed to work out the errors. We have the Vice Drive, the Titleist Pro V1, the Titleist refurbished Pro V1 X washing machine. It's very good. The Titleist DT Solo washing machine, which works fine. My Swixen Q-Star Divides, which my uncle gave me. Oh, one just decided to walk away because it was... Yep. Then it was caught by the Pro V1. And it was caught by the Titleist Pro V1. We haven't... Anyway, now we can have a look at... And then we have a look at this, all this. I have so many wash machines now. First with the Swixen Soft Feel washing machine. Yep. The Callaway Hexsoft. Yep, Hexsoft. We got this Titleist. I think it's a Titleist NXT Extreme. Yeah. Titleist, this model wash machine, NXT Extreme for everyone. I've got a Hisense wash machine. Another Hisense wash machine, which is red. And that's also very similar to the white one, so. Got the Titleist. I don't know what even is this, but Titleist, this model, Velocity. Anyway, back to the machine I have a show. I think it might look like a Velocity. It's a Velocity. If I might put on the spin cycle. Callaway. That's like, I love them Callaway washing machines, these expensive ones, because they've been recycled, made from 100% plastic bottles and cans, so that's very good. Titleist Pro V1 yellow Titleist Pro V1. TaylorMade Zero wash machine. TaylorMade. Next we have the Ultra. We have the Ultra Dual Titanium wash machine. Yep, Ultra Dual Titanium. Well, Tour Titanium, not Dual Titanium. It's the wash machine. Duty Titanium, it's called. TaylorMade 3. Yep, TaylorMade 3. And this one's interesting because apparently the machine, I like the inside of this. Apparently the machine, is a house-made. And it's very special house-made because if it spins and it goes very mad. Well, yeah, house-made. It's a house-made though, so that's good. And the last one, which we have, I don't know, it's a Mizuno washing machine I have never used yet. So there'll be some videos on that soon. And what we have next for the Mizuno is then outside my bedroom is a Chromax, which I haven't used any videos yet. Wash cycles or jumping. Yep, Chromax. Nice shiny one anyway. Checking the garage now. If I can. Anyway, I need keys. Here's some of my spare wash machines. That Titleist Hunman I fixed. You know, in the last video, yeah, that Titleist Hunman. There next to it we have the Dunlop Titanium, the classic titanium washing machine. Actually on the verge of washing or trying to wash. Oh no, it's empty, it's spares. McGregor, a red one, which my nan gave me for my birthday. That I'm keeping as a spare just in case. I've also, and then we have this yellow Kirkland. Yeah, an actual yellow. We have this actual yellow Kirkland Performance Plus. I know, I read clearly with that other wash machine and the last one. Free of the orange Stessinger. Yeah, the orange Stessinger, which I somehow trying in the middle of fixing a ballast, concrete rating, trying to see if it spins, but I haven't tested it yet. But if that failed, I'll probably do a destruction video on that washer dryer. So there you go. And that's all and the rest of them are, I don't know what. Dunlop 65. And that's the spares. Anyway, guys, see you later. Bye!